What are the benefits of deep conditioning? Is deep conditioning the same as regular conditioning? Should you apply deep conditioner on your hair before or after you wash it? How do you preserve homemade deep conditioner? These are some questions that will be answered in this video. Stay tuned till the end and don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to support me. Help me get this video to 100 likes, please. What are the benefits of deep conditioning your hair? Protein-based deep conditioners strengthen the hair, improve elasticity, and prevent breakage. Moisturizing deep conditioners bring moisture back into the hair. A high-quality deep conditioning treatment can treat hair that is damaged and dried due to dye, sun exposure, styling, and heating. Deep conditioning makes my hair softer and easier to manage. It also brings my curls out more. And these benefits last for several washings. What does deep conditioner contain? Common ingredients are water, fatty alcohol, gentle surfactant, humectant like honey, sugar, aloe vera, and more, emollients like oils and butters, and hydrolyzed protein. The first 5 ingredients after water, with a few exceptions, have the most impact on your hair. Our hair needs a proper protein to moisture balance. Focus on what your hair needs the most. If it's dry, get a deep conditioner that is intensely hydrating. For moisture and softness, stick to deep conditioners that have fatty alcohols like cetyl, sterol, and ceteryl, plus emollient, butters, and oils, and humectants. If your hair is lacking definition or strength, look for a protein-based deep conditioner. For strengthening treatments, look for ingredients like hydrolyzed proteins, amino acids, keratin, and henna. Should you apply deep conditioner on your hair before you wash it? Some people use it before shampooing their hair, but I believe it gives better results when you use it after shampooing. How to deep condition your hair. Wash your hair, squeeze an adequate quantity of deep conditioner onto your hands and gently rub it on your palms. It's best to work in sections to ensure that as much of hair gets coated as possible. Start with the ends of your hair because your ends are the oldest, driest, and most prone to breakage and splitting. By starting with your ends, you allow them a little more time to soak up and absorb all of the deep conditioner effectively. How long should deep conditioner stay in the hair? Deep conditioner takes at least 15 to 30 minutes to penetrate to the core of each strand, but you should read the instructions on the product if it's store-bought. Is deep conditioning overnight a good idea? No. It can cause moisture overload or protein overload. Over-conditioning the hair can result in mushy, weak hair. Add heat. Deep conditioning requires you to heat up the product you are using. Heating your deep conditioner increases the amount and effectiveness of absorption. Heat enables the hair cuticle to open for an extended period, allowing the deep conditioner to penetrate the hair shaft and nourish it from the inside out. How do you get heat into your hair for deep conditioning? Wear a plastic cap and sit under a dryer if you have access to one. You can also use a blow dryer, set it on low heat, and thoroughly heat up the conditioner. Make sure your hair is covered and temperature is not too high. You can also use a heat cap. After the required time, remove your cap and wash your hair with cool water. It will tighten your hair shafts and make them shinier. Apply a leave-in conditioner or moisturizer. It's essential to apply a leave-in conditioner or moisturizer after washing your hair and while the hair is damp or wet to trap moisture in the strands. Moisture comes from water, so it's important that there is a trace of water on the hair before applying a moisturizer. Seal in the moisture. You can use the liquid cream oil, LCO, or liquid oil cream, your preferred method. How often should you deep condition your hair? weekly or every 2 weeks. It depends on how your hair feels. Is deep conditioning the same as regular conditioning? No. Regular and deep conditioners have different effects on your hair as they have different compositions. Regular conditioners are a little bit thinner, close to a shampoo consistency, and have ingredients that moderately absorb in your hair. Conditioner can be used multiple times per week or daily because the ingredients are gentle and safe enough. Most regular conditioners have emollients, humectants, and silicones that lock moisture in your hair. Conditioner is usually left in the hair for anywhere between 1 to 5 minutes. Everyday conditioner isn't formulated to penetrate hair to the center. Deep conditioners are usually a much thicker liquid or paste. They consist of deep penetrating oils such as avocado oil, olive oil, and coconut oil. Deep conditioner uses heat to penetrate through each strand of hair to provide more noticeable results. Deep conditioners require more time to absorb, so you need to leave them longer in your hair. Deep conditioner nourishes your hair cuticles better than a regular conditioner. How do you preserve homemade deep conditioner? You can refrigerate your DIY homemade deep conditioner for up to a week, but no longer. Henna mixes can be frozen for months. Store-bought conditioners are formulated with a certain concentration of antimicrobials and preservatives that keep them from molding on the shelves. It's best to only mix enough deep conditioner for a single use every time and use clean kitchen utensils to mix and stir. What is your favorite deep conditioning treatment? Do you make your own? Do you wash your hair before deep conditioning or after? If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll gladly answer it. I also invite you to leave a comment about your deep conditioning experience because it can help someone else. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Have a wonderful day.